Your oven comes with a multi-point probe. This multi-point probe is going to have 3 points to it, and it will measure your food in 3 different areas, giving you accurate results. It's going to give you a reading in real time, which means you'll be able to see your reading of the temperature, what your food is now, and what your desired temperature is when it ends. Plus, your oven will turn off once it reaches your desired temperature. To effectively use your meat probe on relatively smaller or thinner pieces of meat, ensure that you go in from the side. If utilizing a multi-point probe, ensure that the center measuring point of your probe is inserted all the way in. If you're using bigger pieces of meat, like prime rib, you're gonna have to go in from the top at an angle. We hope that this video helps you understand your single probe or your multi-point probe to achieve the perfect meal. Thank you.